Erectile dysfunction after 60 isn't just frustrating, it's a quiet heartbreak. You want to connect, you feel the desire. But when the body doesn't respond, the shame cuts deep. And the worst part? Most men suffer in silence, thinking, it's too late or that only medication can fix it. But what if the truth is completely different? What if your body is still capable, and you've just been missing the natural fuel it needs to function again? In this video, you'll discover 5 natural supplements that actually work. Not gimmicks, not risky pills, but real, clinically supported tools that improve blood flow, restore hormonal balance, and rebuild your confidence over time. And one of them? It has a success rate over 90% in clinical trials, yet barely anyone talks about it. Let's dive in. Erectile dysfunction doesn't appear overnight. For men over 60, it's the result of a slow buildup, like rust forming in old plumbing. Blood flow slows, hormone levels drop, and microdamage adds up. Aging affects your vascular system. First, and your erection depends directly on that circulation. But it's not just the body. Emotional pressure, performance anxiety, and years of silent stress quietly rewire the brain. You may feel desire, but your mind isn't sending the same clear signals anymore. Think of it like a radio losing its signal. The message is still there, but it's no longer getting through. The good news: once you understand the real root, you can take targeted action, and that starts with a natural compound that boosts nitric oxide, the molecule your erection can't happen without, T. L-Citrulline is like the ignition switch for better blood flow. This amino acid helps your body produce more nitric oxide, the chemical messenger that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. With more nitric oxide, blood flows more, freely to the areas that matter most. Unlike medications that force instant results, L-Citrulline works with your body. Taken daily, it gradually increases firmness, reduces arousal delays, and helps with recovery after intimacy. Many men notice stronger, more consistent performance after just a few weeks. It's best taken on an empty stomach in the morning, and it's often the first tool in the toolbox. But circulation alone isn't enough. To restore energy and vitality, we need an ancient root with modern proof. Panax Ginseng has been called man's root for centuries, and modern science confirms why. It boosts energy, improves mental sharpness, and supports blood flow. But more importantly, it's been shown in studies to help with erectile dysfunction by increasing testosterone and reducing fatigue. What makes ginseng special is how it bridges the gap between mind and body. It calms mental tension while powering up physical stamina. One study published in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology found significant improvement in erection quality after ginseng supplementation. It's not a magic pill. It builds, gradually, but once active, it becomes a quiet, reliable ally. And when paired with essential minerals, it can unlock even more. Think of zinc and magnesium as the batteries behind male performance. Zinc fuels testosterone production. Magnesium helps you relax, improves sleep, and supports blood flow. Without them, even a healthy man can feel off balance and underpowered. The problem: as you age, mineral absorption drops. Add medications or stress and deficiencies creep in silently. You may feel tired, foggy, or disconnected. Not because of aging, but because your body's basic chemistry is off. The fix is simple: daily supplementation using bioavailable forms like zinc picolinate and magnesium glycinate. They recharge your foundation. But performance is also mental, and for that we need an adaptogen that lowers cortisol and restores calm. Ashwagandha is like an emotional stabilizer for men. It doesn't knock you out. It helps you recover your inner balance. When cortisol, the stress hormone, stays high, it kills libido, lowers testosterone, and disrupts blood flow. Ashwagandha resets the switch. Studies show it improves sleep, reduces anxiety, and even boosts testosterone in aging men. One trial published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed significant increases in strength, stamina, and well-being. It's especially useful for men who feel mentally blocked despite good physical health. And when paired with direct blood flow enhancers, the effects can multiply. Which brings us to the final clinical-grade duo. This duo is backed by serious science. L-Arginine increases nitric oxide production, while pycnogenol enhances and protects blood vessels. Together they create a synergistic effect, improving erection quality naturally. A landmark study from the University of Naples showed that 92.5% of men taking this combo daily for 3 months regained normal erectile function without side effects. That's not hype. That's peer-reviewed, repeatable clinical success. For men who want real, measurable change without medication, this is one of the most promising natural options available. But only if you give it time to work. Supplements don't flip a switch, they build momentum. Most men begin noticing changes between 2 to 4 weeks, improved energy, better blood flow, and a clearer sense of arousal. But the results are cumulative. Consistency is key. Skipping doses or switching brands resets your progress. Think of it like watering a plant. The benefits grow with steady care, not bursts of action. You didn't lose your performance overnight, and you won't recover it overnight either. But with commitment, patience, and the right tools, you can rebuild what was lost. And now let's wrap it up. You've just seen 5 supplements that don't just promise results. They deliver. Backed by studies. Aligned with your body. Designed for men over 60 who want to feel whole again without dependency on drugs. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and leave a comment, even just to say I needed this. And if you're serious about going deeper, click on the video right here, where we reveal the mental tricks to prevent your libido from vanishing at the worst moment. It's the perfect follow-up, and it might unlock something you didn't even know you were missing.